So basically the difference between professional grade paint and non-professional grade paint and paper is that they help to do a lot of the work for you by helping the pigment to flow and be absorbed evenly so that you don't have to spend time, pushing paint around with your brush to get it to go the way you want it to get it to blend on the paper. Less brush work by you means a fresher, more vibrant, and less overworked painting. It just looks so much nicer. When you have to push paint around and make a lot of corrections, it will show later in your painting, and it will look like you struggled and worked hard. And some of that is just being a beginner. I mean, you have to go through that stage, but some of it is the materials that you're using, and you can move through that stage a lot quicker if you're using better quality materials. I really disagree with the term student grade. It's just lower grade. I think students deserve good quality paper as much as everybody else. In fact, even more so, because you will find a lot less frustration when you're working with good paper. And especially those who are learning, they need to experience some success. They need to be able to feel like they can do this, and it's not so frustrating that they're just going to give up. So that's my little rant about the term student grade. I just think that's deceptive, and a lot of people fall for it because they think, oh, I'm just a student, I shouldn't be investing in professional supplies. I just think those are misnomers. I think it's just best quality and less quality, and that's what it is. So I would invest in the best quality supplies that you can as soon as you can. Rant over.